Hi, I'm Mona, wife, new mom, and small business owner of Creole Soul. Come with me behind the scenes on our journey of growing Creole Soul, in the kitchen for delicious recipes, gardening, and many other fun adventures. Welcome to our channel. Hi everyone. So today I'm using both the Creole Soul Original Blend and Creole Soul Heat Blend. I'm making pan-fried salmon that I'm going to put over a salad today. I find that this is one of my quick, favorite, easy meals as a new mom that's kind of healthy, very delicious, and fills me up until the next time I can eat. So to the Creole Soul Heat, I'm also adding a little bit of the Creole Soul Original Blend. That's about a teaspoon between the 3 fillets. And dill. I love dill on salmon. It is so delicious. I'm making sure that the pan is nice and hot. It's a new pan that I just got. I ordered this Cuisinart cast iron pan off of Amazon. What you see is a butter, olive oil, sea salt blend that I absolutely love to cook with. Okay, now that everything is nice and hot, it's time to put the salmon in the pan, seasoned side down. Alright, let's repeat the seasoning process on the other side, starting with the dill, because we love dill. Creole Soul Original Blend. And Creole Soul Heat for just a little kick. Do you like salmon? If you do, let me know in the comments. Alright, let's finish this off with some lemon juice. I'm going to squeeze a whole lemon in this, but remember there are seeds, which I forgot. So now I'm trying to make sure that there are not a lot of seeds in the dish. We can always fish them out. So like I said, today I'm going to put this on top of a salad, but really you could pair this with anything. Rice, just veggies, macaroni and cheese is something that comes to mind because who doesn't love macaroni and cheese? Okay, I used, which was one of my favorites, a Southwestern salad kit. I decided to add cheese. You don't have to add cheese. And of course, my favorite dressing is ranch. And, okay, pan juice. That lemon butter juice is so good. It just adds a zesty tang to your already delicious salad. Hope that you decide to try this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, and share.